Alright guys, I have a new product alert. This one is from Overland Gear Guy. He is here in Salt Lake City. I found him at the Off-Road Expo in February, and he makes a lot of custom pouches and stuff for like sprinter vans and things. I showed up wanting something for this area and thought I was going to walk away with just like one of his stock products, and he ended up making this one custom for me. So the size and then everything here. It's got D-ring, it's got a loop, and on the back, because of my thing is carpeted, he has actually put Velcro on the top and the bottoms. So the plan with this was that I wanted to get rid of this little bit because it kind of is awkward and I don't like it. But you know, spatula, things like that, little salt and peppers, stuff like that. So I wanted something that I could hang up there in that space, but then also be able to maybe hang off of the tailgate when everything is open. So I'm gonna fill this up and we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so here I've filled it up a little bit so you guys can kind of see. There's 3 layers to each one. There's ribbons up here and then stuff for like your spices, and obviously this fit. I'm pretty stoked about that. You know, can opener, got my utensils, there's some packets, little, you know, sugar packets, and knives back there, lighter. Yeah, we'll have to like trial and error it and see what works and what doesn't work, but I'll get it hung up so you guys can see it. All right, so there it is, hung up, just attached with Velcro for my instance because I have carpet back there. But again, it comes with like little D-rings, little dowel spots. I mean, we thought about hanging it up under the lip of here off of this guy, but the Velcro works out really easy. But yeah, so then I can use it there, and then the second way to use it, so again, just Velcro's off, and bear with me, take the loop, and voila! Now I have the kitchen on the outside, so that when I deploy on this side and have my stove and stuff, now I have access to all of this over here, and so I don't have to climb in and out every time. But that just wraps around there. I also have like this nifty little like magnetic hook, so I really wanted to hook to that, but this is not too shabby.